For all kinds of products, the carton drop test is an important part of an inspection to ensure that the goods are well protected by packaging in case of dropped cartons or inappropriate handling. It is usually conducted with a reference to the International Standard for Safe Transport ISTA 1 series, which determines different testing protocols, each with a different purpose. In the case of the ISTA 1A, the dropping height is as shown in the table. The box will be dropped 10 times by one corner, 3 edges, and 6 sides. In the case of the ISTA 1B, the dropping height is fixed at 6 inches 150 millimeters, and the box will be dropped 6 times by each side. After the drop test, the products in the interior should keep the initial condition. To verify this, the products on the sides and corners inside the box will be inspected, checking the appearance, function, and safety. Packaging breakage and product damage after dropping the box is a very common defect in inspections of all kinds of products. Do you like our tips? Subscribe and contact us for more details of quality control services for your products in Asia.